Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is about latitude and longitude lines. As you know that our Earth is looks like a sphere. It's flat at the top and bottom at the poles. Latitude and longitude lines are drawn on it, imaginary line, which help us to locate the area and time of any country in this world. What is a latitude? Latitude lines are drawn from east to west, and these lines are 180 in number, 19 in a north pole and 19 in a south pole. Latitude lines have some importance line, that is equator, Tropic of Cancer, and the third one is Tropic of Capricorn. What is the equator? Equator is a middle line, and this is our largest line. These lines are divides the Earth into two equal parts. This is line is equator. Okay, this divides the Earth into two equal parts. In the north of the equator is called northern hemisphere, and the south of the equator is called southern hemisphere. Next is the Tropic of Cancer. On the globe, the half of 2/3 part is called Tropic of Cancer. This part you can see. This part are called Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn. Third line is Tropic of Capricorn. The half 2/3 part of the south pole is called Tropic of Capricorn. These all lines are imaginary line. Okay, these all lines are imaginary line. Next is about we discussed about longitude. What is a longitude? The line which are connect north to south is called longitude line, and this line is also imaginary line. This line is called prime meridian line because it divides the Earth into two parts, eastern one and southern one. The latitude lines are parallel to equator because it is equal to 0 degree, but longitude lines are not parallel because it's equal to 1 degree. Okay, this is all about latitude and longitude. Now comes to our international date line. What is our international date line? In reference to longitude and time, the international date line is elaborated because of it passes through 180 degree of longitude, and this date line we can see that the date in the country in east area, towards the east area, is 1 day behind, and the date of the to its west is 1 day ahead. Okay, this is international date line. Now comes to we are discussed about latitude, longitude and international date line. If you have any question about regarding to this, you can ask. No? So I will ask a question. Malaika, come here and tell me about longitude.
The vertical line which draw from north pole to south pole is known as line of longitude.
Yes, very good. Next, come Aruj. What is equator?
It is equator, middle line divided Earth into two equal parts. It is called equator.
Zunaira, come. What is latitude?
The horizontal line which are drawn from east to west, the line is known as latitude.
Can you explain here? Where is east and west?
This is east and this is west.